Learning management system for retail training. With the constant changes in consumer behavior and technological advancements, it's essential to ensure that your employees are adequately trained, equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the retail competition. Traditional methods of training, such as classroom lectures and on-the-job training, can benefit from online training. Several studies have shown that e-learning can be an effective way of training employees in the retail industry. According to a report, e-learning can lead to a 50% reduction in training time and a 60% increase in knowledge retention compared to traditional training methods. Another study found that e-learning can be 5 to 10 times more effective than traditional classroom-based training. Video-based learning is a popular format for e-learning in the retail industry. Videos are engaging and can be used to demonstrate specific procedures or show real-life examples of best practices. Video-based learning can be particularly useful for training employees in sales and customer service skills. Social learning is another popular format for e-learning in the retail industry. Social learning involves using social media-first e-learning platform to facilitate learning and collaboration among employees. Social learning can be particularly useful for training employees in customer service skills and promoting a culture of continuous learning. Scenario-based learning involves presenting employees with real-life scenarios and asking them to apply their knowledge and skills to solve the problem. Scenario-based learning can be particularly useful for training employees in decision-making and problem-solving skills. Blended learning is a combination of traditional classroom-based training and e-learning. Blended learning can be particularly effective for training employees in the retail industry, as it allows organizations to deliver training content in various formats, depending on the specific training needs. The Learning Lab LMS is a powerful, creative, and user-friendly learning management system designed specifically for the retail industry. The Learning Lab LMS is designed to make training more accessible, engaging, and effective for retail employees. With the Learning Lab LMS, retail organizations can improve employee performance, reduce training costs, and achieve better ROI. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe.